If you want to go ahead and then get some mocktail recipes, then you can utilize DeepSeek for it as well. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say, make me a sweet mocktail and give me steps on how to make one. Make one just like this. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave it open. I'm not going to say anything right here. Just tell it to give me a mocktail recipe. So once you actually go ahead and do that, DeepSeek will process out that request and then it'll give you out a mocktail right here. So you can see that it is loading right there, and it says, sure, here is a recipe for a berry bliss mocktail. So you can see the ingredients like this. Half cups of mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and so forth. There's tablespoon honey, simple syrup. There's 1/4 fresh orange juice, 1/4 cup of sparkling water, a lemon lime soda, ice cube, fresh mint leaves or garnish, and a slice of lime or lemon, which is optional for garnish right here. So you can see that these are the steps to make it. So it says prepare the berries, sweeten the mix, assemble the mocktail, add citrus, top it off, and then garnish and serve. And this is what you have, as you can see. So that is how you can go ahead and get out mocktail recipes as you like inside of DeepSeek. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.